We're often asked if there is a defense to unlawful detainer. And what it means, if you've been served with a summons and complaint for unlawful detainer, is you've been sued for possession of the house or the property that you're in. Now that means that you may be a foreclosed homeowner, and either the bank took the property back at a trustee's sale, or an investor bought the land, bought the property at a trustee's sale. Either one of them is now trying to get possession of the home. You have due process rights. No one is coming tomorrow, most likely. I haven't met you yet, but unless you've received a sheriff's notice, and they'll always give 5 days notice before the sheriffs come and forcibly remove you from your property. And so before that happens, they have to serve you with a 3-day or a 60-day or a 90-day notice that you must vacate. And it depends upon your situation of whether you get a 3-day, 60-day, or 90-day notice. Now, if you were foreclosed upon and your home was sold at a trustee's sale, then you're going to get a 3-day notice. If you're a tenant and it's a month-to-month tenancy, you're going to get a 3-day notice to pay or quit if you are just behind on your rent payment. If you're a tenant of a house that was foreclosed and you have a lease, we may be able to defend that lease and keep you in the home under the terms of the lease. And each situation is a little different, and it depends on what the lease says and how it was written, but we may be able to defend you and keep you in that property. No matter what your situation is, you have rights. If you get a notice, you do not have to leave within the time that that notice says. There are things you can do, and it depends on your unique situation how we can act, how we can respond, and there are different legal terms and different legal paperwork that you can file with the court, a demur, a quash, which kind of means squash, an answer. There are different motions and different responses that we can make for you on your behalf, and either we can represent you and go to court for you and write up all this paperwork for you and file it with the court, or you may not have money to hire an attorney like that. Then we can just simply prepare the paperwork and you can file it yourself and represent yourself, what's called pro se or pro per of the person. And so we'll work with you, we'll find out what's best for you, but you can defend yourself an unlawful detainer. Call us and we'll answer any questions you have.